What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today we are reviewing these Rayban stories. So Rayban partnered up with Facebook to make some glasses. Not just any glasses, smart glasses. In short, they put a camera on the glasses so you can record, give it other smart features. They put speakers inside, so I'm looking very forward to checking these out. It was really hard to open up. So you got another Rayban and Facebook box splits open. And the thing we've been waiting for, the glasses. Comes in a case. We're gonna put this to the side right now. See what else we got. Download the Facebook View app. Little reminder, little Rayban logo on the other side. Let's see what we have in this little box. Okay, this little box comes with, what do you call this? The microfiber case for the glasses. If you want to carry them in here and then put them inside the case, extra protection, I guess, that's good. And then of course we got some paperwork, reference guide and safety warranty paperwork. There was one thing left in the box. It is the cable right here. Let's see what kind of cable this is. Obviously it's going to be USB-C because we saw the charging port on the outside. Okay. So the cable is a USB-C to USB-C. But they're very nice. They're like very rubbery on the outside. They don't feel too cheap. I like when the products come with nice cables. But this is a pretty big case and it's nice. I like that it's like leather. Probably real leather too. It reminds me of like those Samsung leather cases. And we already got a, probably hard to see, there's a USB-C right there. So you put the glasses in this case and you charge the case like that. The little indent right here for the lid. Open it on this side. There's the glasses. Pull that out. Got a little protective thing here. The inside of the case is nice. It's felt lined right here. And there's some plastic covering over here that covers the contacts right here. Sorry, right here. So when you put the glasses down in here, you lay them on the contacts here, and this is how it gets charged to the USB-C on the outside. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that out, because if you forget to take that out, obviously you're gonna put your glasses in there, it's not gonna charge. So moving back to the glasses, here are the glasses. I opted for the black ones, but there's other colors. I think there's a green frame, a blue frame, different shape frames too. But this is the classic Wayfair frame that I always wear. I always wear cheap glasses, never this nice, so this is my first nice glasses. You might be able to already tell, but these are a little thicker, especially this part. These are a lot thicker than what I used to, but I don't own any Ray-Ban glasses, so maybe all Ray-Bans are this thick and I would never notice. But yeah, the plastic is a lot thicker. It's very light. And I got some tint right there. Classic Ray-Ban logo there on the side. Alright, so the glasses. If you look here in the top corner, you got two 5 megapixel cameras on both sides of the lenses. And they record at 1184 by 1184 at 30 frames per second for video. So what that means is the video is going to be squared. And it takes high resolution photos at 2592 by 1944 pixels. There's a notification light, so when you're recording or taking a photo, others will be able to know when you're doing that. And there's also, this is pretty hard to see, there's also a light in here, a notification light on the inside, right here. This is gonna be definitely impossible to see, but right above my finger, there's a notification light so you can see what's going on your end. I can't wait to try these out, so let me go ahead and charge these and let's go play with them. So as you can see, these are pretty cool glasses. So Ray-Ban is reporting that the glasses will last about 6 hours if you don't use the smart features and you don't use it very heavily. But if you use the smart features, like the always listening assistant is always on, you can probably get around 3 hours, which seems pretty normal with my use as of right now. It looks like that's a pretty good quoted time. The glasses comes with this case, as I showed you earlier in the unboxing. If you fully charge this case, you can get about 3 charges with the glasses in it. So you can charge your glasses 3 times without having to plug them in. Now for smart glasses, I feel like that's acceptable because I mean, look at these things. Look how thin the frames are. Like these glasses, they're a little bit bigger than regular glasses. Like they feel a little bit thicker, just a little bit. But like, where's the battery? Like where in here is fitting the battery that could last that long, you know? So for 3 hours or 6 hours, I feel like those are both pretty acceptable. But this is good for those quick, you know, I'm out and about, I don't need to pull out my camera, it's something that's happening immediately in front of me and you don't want to miss the moment. These are pretty convenient because all you have to do is press this button and you're gold. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when you take a photo. You can press the button, or you can hold the button. Well, I have it for hold. So you can hear a when you hit the command, and then you can hear a little shutter button. I don't know if it's audible from your point of view, but I can hear it. Obviously, I can hear it through the speakers in these things. This is what the light from a video looks like, so I wouldn't get these if you're trying to be creepy, you know? So it's there. It's pretty visible. I mean, it's hard to miss. Looks a little bluish on the camera. It's not that blue. It's usually white. Hey Facebook, take a photo. That was really convenient. Usually I just stick my hand over here and press buttons. But it's a lot more convenient just to, hey Facebook, record a video. And just like that, you're recording. Imagine you're doing something with your hands, you're carrying boxes, and you see something funny. Well, now you can just ask it to record, assuming that you left it on. This, though, is my favorite feature. Imagine you're out and you don't have headphones, your wireless headphones. You want to listen to some music, but you don't want it blasting everywhere. Well, you can always do this. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's nice to have music coming out. It's like having headphones. So obviously the sound is escaping my head. It's not going right into my ears. I'm sure when next time you can hear it. But yeah, hopefully you can hear it too. And now the last thing you want to know is price. Now typically these are run about 300 USD here. But this is quite nice. I can see why people buy Ray-Bans. I mean, this feels really good. This frame feels pretty sturdy compared to the stuff I buy. So these come in like 2 sizes depending on the size of your head. You want the bigger one. This is the bigger one. And then there's like a smaller one. Slightly smaller frames and stuff. To go with these glasses, there is a companion app that you have to use. You don't have to use it to operate the glasses, but there's no SD card slot on this thing. There's no wires you can plug into it. If you want to pull off the footage, you have to use the app and then export the footage. The worst part of using these glasses is the fact that you have to have a Facebook account. Now, it's not that hard. You can just get one for free and never use it. Put yourself on private. It's not a big deal. So that's what I did, because I don't have one anymore. I don't have a Facebook anymore. So I had to get a Facebook, sign up, and I only use it. I don't even use Facebook. You don't need to use Facebook for these glasses. You just need to log in to Facebook when you first install the View app. It's the Facebook View app. So that's about it. If you guys have any questions, leave me a comment below and I'd be happy to answer it if this is something I tested out. I will be keeping these glasses, so I can always test out something later on. You know, I can always add extra stuff. If you want to see something specific, just let me know. These are cool glasses, and I think they're cool, and you should probably get them. If you're interested, you should get them. They're pretty worth it. Look at that.